I finished my boarding school in England and had the opportunity to come to the US. So having a cousin here, I accepted and came to Chattanooga in December of '87, started January of '88. Favorite memories were coming here and seeing how small the classrooms were. We started the Indo-Cultural Exchange. I played soccer, not officially a club, and then through some of the UTC students played some British sports like rugby and cricket for Chattanooga. It was just a chance opportunity that one of my close family friends who I lived with while at college had started, and 2 years after graduating, the opportunity came, and I moved on to hospitality and been doing it ever since. After 30 years of doing hospitality and got to the point of just integration, what do we use the most of, and as we build more hospitality projects. So ended up getting a cabinet company out of bankruptcy and then started a paper product, so we make our own toilet tissues, napkins, and integrated into what we were doing already. We have a vision of what we want to do with some of this integration, and I'm taking some time and mentoring some of the students, just keep going on and seeing if we can still make differences in people's lives. Seeing the growth of Chattanooga and how that's connecting the university and the community together has been great. When I graduated, there was 3,000 odd students. It's now between 13 and 15,000, so that's been some tremendous growth. My youngest graduated with a master's at UTC. The oldest, I've encouraged him to get his master's at UTC, so we can all four be mocks. But he hasn't bit the bullet, but he's doing okay with that. Using some of the foundations that I grew up with, it's never forget where you came from, and giving back to what helped you get to where you are. So that's it. That's short and sweet there.